Good afternoon. I'm here with Kfir Godrich. He's the VP and Chief Technologist at HP Entreprise Business. He's a familiar face at DatacenterDynamics events for nearly the last decade. And having recently moved positions within HP, is having an even wider view of what's going on with the market through to the IT side. Kfir, my first question to ask you today is, how have you found Brazil? You don't generally travel this far. Have you found any particularly interesting things whilst you've been here today?
Brazil, actually, I'm traveling around the world, and Brazil, actually, it's kind of, I'm polling it twice a year right now at least. We've been involved in Brazil market even before HP acquired my company beforehand. We designed here the largest data center for one of the financials locally, and we are very involved in the local market. We think Brazil is an amazing country for data center, and it's only going to get better in the next 10 years. We see great opportunities going on here.
You spoke in your presentation today about the industrialization of the data center, about the butterfly pods, building things in scalable fashion. What are the key drivers you see for this new type of data center deployment?
We think that there is no, we don't have a choice there. People cannot continue paying $25 million a megawatt. This is, why we came with this kind of design that we don't know yet how it is going to be received on the market and how people are going to use it. We've seen already several types of usage for this kind of concept that came out of infrastructure as a service, kind of low availability and very modular, very scalable type of environment to support infrastructure as a service for cloud computing. Suddenly, we're having people saying, can I do that, at 2N type of topology? So can I do that using different type of technologies in each one of the quadrants of this butterfly? So we see that it's something that is going to develop. I'm trying to do a quotation of one of the analysts that was looking into that, and he wrote that basically, you can have all kinds of opinion about this thing, but you definitely cannot stay ignorant. And we're seeing that. We've seen a lot of strategies of some of the largest companies in the world, in the Fortune 50 companies around the world. They just stopped their strategy and they started looking into that, because you cannot ignore somebody that is telling you, and right now it's getting more and more into proof. We're building these kind of things as we go right now, and it's less than half of the price that you're actually paying to get the same level of availability. So I think it is going to, is going to be a move towards this direction. People, they cannot continue and do it. We have this engineering, directions that we always want to engineer something new. People, they will not pay for that anymore. It must be standardized. We need to build data centers the same way that we're building a computer. And we prove that partially through these designs of the, HP pods, for example, where we put together a data center in a container, and our competitors, they are doing kind of the same directions. Next thing is to build, any kind of need of a data center as you build a computer. So if you want data center as a service, the most linear economical model for the data center industry, in my opinion.
Thank you very much, Kfir. I look forward to seeing you quite soon. I believe we're both going to be in Mexico, in another Latin American location.
Always a pleasure being with you, my friend.
Thank you.